Another MuggyWeld.com testimonial.
Okay, so here's the soldering process with the MuggyWeld solder, which works great. And I'm going to solder, and my friend's gonna keep videoing. Well, we'll get there's the rod that I've already used. We'll get all this hot, like they say to do, till the metal turns color. And get some of the flux on it. All it takes and you're done. This stuff works really super good. Totally impressed with it. And I'll show you what I'm putting that on. I build remote control airplanes, and this is one I got going here. It's a 12-foot wingspan, 1/3 scale, and right there is little steel tab soldered to brass, and that's what will control the rudder or the elevator going up and down. So it will go up and down with a push-pull rod from right there in that hole all the way up front to one of these servos. So that's the process. I highly recommend this MuggyWeld stuff. It works really super good.
Thank you, Rod, for your video testimonial. Now make sure you hit the little welder dude right here to subscribe. Now you saw how simple it was to braze brass to steel. SSF6 also works on cast steel, cast iron, stainless, copper, on and on. Get yours today at MuggyWeld.com. Have a great day and be nice to people. Thank you much.